We are at Saint-Jean-d'Aire Deport, or something like that. We found a little air this morning. We are parked up right next to the table tennis table, so that's handy for the boys. It's going to be quite a historic town, and I think a World Heritage Site, so we're going to take a walk in to town and have a look in a little while. So masks, not mandatory like they are in Spain. Let me show you around this little area. It's quite empty at the minute. I think it's €9 per night, including electric. That's pretty darn good. But apparently, no one's checking it. The guy I was just speaking to said, don't need to pay, there's no barrier, no one's coming to check. But I'm not sure that's right. Maybe we'll go up and see if we can put €9 in the machine. Here we go to bins, that's what I'm looking for. Get rid of that. Here is the motorhome service point. Drop your grey and fill up. I don't know if you can fill up with fresh there. Right, let's have a look at this machine. Hey? I mean, €9 a night with electric is pretty darn good going. See, our vlog the other day that we put up, which was €50 for an Aire. Now, that was a brilliant site and more of a campsite. What the point of that was, we expect Aires to be cheap, like this, €5, €10 per night. This being €9 per night with electric. So when we paid €50 per night for the Aire, it was it should have been marketed as a campsite, not an Aire. That's all. So 24 hours, €9. What a funky camper van here. Look, take a look at this one. How cool is that? How awesome. That's kind of funky, isn't it? I class this more of a campsite than an Aire. Look at it. There's nice grass, green areas. Table tennis table. You know, at most Aires you can't set out a table and chairs, and you find a set out table and chairs at this one. So winner, €9 a night with electric.
We're still in the Basque region, in a small town called Saint-Jean-d'Aire, which is the translation is the foot of the hills, the foot of the pass. A lot of people start their pilgrimage here on the Santiago de Compostela, which is a pilgrimage for St. James. It's all the way out through the north of Spain, out to the west coast. It's a really stunning little village. Let's go and have a little look around.
What have you learned?
It's just fantastic.
Huh?
It's just beautiful. Number 31, which is just up here, has been a refuge for pilgrims for over 1,000 years. It's just fantastic. It's the original the church thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Why don't you call it a church then? Not a citadel.
When in France. Right now we're walking along the wall parts, the medieval walls. Outside is the baddies. Inside are the backs of the houses that we saw along the main high street as we walked down it.
Should we get a bottle of wine in, look?
Only if it's as big as the sun.
You're gonna have to carry this, Dad.
I think this bakery has the price of wheat from 1789. Don't know if inflation's taken it up a bit.
We're off to find a laundry. There's Harry here. Knocked over a whole bottle of drink. Huh? Whole bottle of orange pop went all over the van. So Lindsay's busy cleaning the van and we're on laundry duty. Eh?
Yeah.
But at least we're having a walk down by the river. Right, where's this laundrette? Where is he, eh? He's playing Pokemon is what he's doing. Come on, Haz. What's a nice view down here, look. Here we are. One laundry. Right, let's get this load done. There you go. That's the washing in. Let's go for a walk in town. Me and Haz are here, sitting waiting for the washing to finish. Watching the world go by, aren't we, Haz?
Yeah.
What was you thinking with that bottle of orange? Huh?
I was thirsty.
He was
That's
thirsty.
what I was thinking.
Couldn't wait. Put it on the table, knocked it over, went everywhere. Anyway, washing shouldn't be much longer. Yeah, have a look, we're watching the world go by. A hive of activity down there, and we're just up here at the park. Nice little kids play park over there, fairly empty. Look, you can see the nice view of the streets down there. Be 10 more minutes, I think, this washing. That's still going. Nearly finished.
So the wash is just finished. But Mum gave us some pod of detergent, and we think that it came with detergent, but we can't like read French, so we don't know. So this might be extra clean. So here it is.
Get the bag up top, mate.
Done and done. I'm gonna keep that close. Good.
Come on, Haz.
This is so heavy.
It's 10 kilos heavy, that's what it is.
Almost there. Ugh.
You found an easy way of carrying it, bud?
Yeah, surprisingly, feels a lot lighter. Whew.
And we're back to site and they're playing on their iPads. Yeah, that was something to do, wasn't it, Haz?
Yeah.
Huh?
Dry as well.
Harry.
What?
Did you get it dried?
No. We've been like half hour?
Yeah, I wondered because I did send you a message. So I don't think anything's going to dry in this humidity.
Well, we got the message halfway back, I'm afraid, love. So we'll just get the line out and give it a go.
Okay.
All right?
Cool.
So it appears that this couple here are going around the campsite playing boule, is it?
It's boule in some regions of France. It might be something else here.
So they've walked past, and I just thought they were playing in front of the van to start off with.
Yeah.
But it seems to just keep going. And they start a new game from when they finish that one until they get round the campsite. What a cool idea.
Oh yeah. No, you got
got to upgrade them to our
See that? She used a chain with a magnet on to pick it up.
Oh, it just flew up. It just didn't have it. Terrible at table tennis.
Oh. So after a walk around town yesterday, we decided to just kick back and chill at the site. It was well needed.
Yeah.
To recharge our batteries after being on the road now for over 2 weeks.
Yes.
So the kids playing table tennis over there. They enjoyed just some chill time, to be honest with you. And we've woken up this morning and the weather's not great. So we're going to continue towards the Mediterranean, I think.
Yeah, we're going to track east and chase the sun down, and then we could go swimming in the sea again.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to get on the road now, probably just empty the loo, top up with water, do the essential things. Then we get on the road, and we'll see you next time.